Puracol Plus Ag is a pure native triple helix bovine collagen with antimicrobial Ionic silver. This completely bioabsorbable dressing features a unique microscaffold structure that helps Puracol Plus Ag maintain its structural integrity with a remarkably high wet strength. The Ionic silver provides an antimicrobial barrier and is non-staining. Puracol Plus Ag helps provide an ideal healing environment for chronic or stalled wounds that haven't responded to other traditional or advanced wound care therapies. Begin by donning gloves, cleansing the wound environment, and applying a skin protectant to the skin around the wound. To apply, remove Puracol Plus Ag from the package. If needed, the dressing can be cut to size to permit the passage of exudate. Place the dressing within the wound bed. Cover with a secondary dressing, such as Optifoam Gentle, Optilock, or Stratasorb. Upon dressing changes, Puracol Plus Ag often cannot be seen since the collagen is absorbed into the wound bed over time. Puracol Plus Ag is recommended for use on chronic or stalled wounds. It is indicated for partial and full thickness wounds, pressure, venous, and diabetic ulcers, ulcers caused by mixed vascular etiologies, first and second degree burns, donor sites and other surface wounds, abrasions, traumatic wounds healing by secondary intention, and dehisced surgical wounds. Puracol Plus Ag should be reapplied when the dressing no longer appears in the wound bed and the wound is still stalled or chronic. The dressing may be left in place for up to 7 days. Puracol Plus Ag may be used under compression therapy.